this video, David and I asked our audience to submit their drawings for me to recreate them in different art styles.
You see, I'm an art man, and I've been an art man for more than a decade at this point, in various fields such as design, architecture, comic book illustrations, and so on.
And I think it would be interesting to see how I can take these drawings to the next level. So, let's just jump right into it.
Okay, we're starting off with a submission by none other than Off-Route Art. I really like the kind of interesting choices of accessories and clothing and fashion that you've chosen for this character. So I think I'm gonna draw this one in a similar-ish kind of a pose to accentuate the inner soldier, the demon inside of me.
You don't want to see me angry.
Now, I wanted to draw more than one option for me to be able to look at every possible angle and see which one I would like to work with the most. And as I was about to finish, a certain someone caused a disturbance.
What is this behavior, you tell me, huh?
That one there was a violation.
No, it is not, no. Yes, I agree with you, you're very adorable.
Okay, we have a wide variety of different kinds of postures over here. I'm liking a couple of these. This is too crouched and scrunched. Boom. This angle, there's too much leg. I'm debating between either this. It could look really interesting with power manipulated within a hand. This, I also like this as well because the design is going to be visible. I am leaning, I think, more towards this. It's more sublime. It matches the mood of this character a little bit more because this guy is ready to squabble up.
Damn, man.
Hey! So we're gonna go with the optimal choice. Hey! Screw all this and let's go with this. I'm gonna not go immediately into contour because this sketch version was really, really vague and really raw. So I think I'm gonna do another round of finalizing and detailing. This happens sometimes, and it's okay. You might even be able to actually redesign the initial sketches to potentially develop your first sketch even further and beyond your initial expectations. Damn, bro, what the? Whoa! This is so cool! What the fuck? I'm loving this design so much. Oh, it kind of reminds me of, I think Michael Jackson had an outfit with many belt buckles. Bro, this is so cool. Yeah, I mean, he's literally wearing like a whole bunch of belts. He's just being super badass. Perfectionism. Okay. I kind of want to draw this in a manga-esque style. I want to make it black and white, okay? Contouring time! Now, I really enjoyed working on this one to a point where I went super detailed with all the hatching and line work. I kind of kept as an inspiration in my mind Dandadan's work, because I looked up and saw how detailed they were in their execution, and I wanted to emulate that a little bit in my own piece. Okay, very good. I like the way this came out. Really enjoyed working on this character. It's super amazing design. I love it. And I'm noticing that maybe the flames are a little bit uneven. I think I want to just slightly tweak the drawing, but what the heck was the what was the tool for this? Oh my god, I'm blanking. I'm blanking right now. Oh yes, isn't that a conundrum? You see, despite me working in Photoshop for years, I'm still constantly learning new tools and effects. And when I want to enhance my knowledge, I visit Skillshare, who is the sponsor of this video. And for example, Lindsay Marsh has a class with over 100 lessons on Photoshop, where I can find just what I was searching for and very easily implement it in my works. Ah yes, now this feels right. Few more details and we'll have a masterpiece. Skillshare is the largest online learning community for creatives with thousands of classes led by industry experts across animation, illustration, design, film, productivity, and more. And the first 500 people to use our link in the description will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. So, get started today. Oh my goodness, look at this. What a great initial design. This was really fun for me to work on. But now let's move on to the next one. And we're continuing our journey with this beautiful, gorgeous rendition of a giraffe playing a piano made by Art San Art. This I like because of its unadulterated authenticity. I mean, just look at the design, it's Basquiat-esque, if you will, you know? I just want to go like all in on this and make an incredible rendition. First, I'm gonna make a few sketches here and there by fish-eyeing the heck out of it. And as I began working on this, yet another disturbance occurred. Yeah, hey, hold on, wait. We have an intruder on our hands. Tuta! Tuta! Oh my god. Should I just keep her here? Alright, for now, she'll keep me company. So, this is one way to see this character, but I think the angle is not expressive or dynamic enough. Let me warp it a little bit more. By shifting the angle and closing in on the hand to create an even more exaggerated scene. Yes, yes, there we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is what I'm saying, Let's, boom, bat, okay, good. I'm gonna turn the opacity down and draw over. I think I'm gonna contour this first. This is good, this is good. This needs shading now. But yeah, I mean, this is beginning to look like some sort of an album cover. And it very well could be for this very same character who is a musician indeed. Look at this fella right here. Stuff of nightmares. I haven't even drawn the eyes yet and I'm already seeing that it stares into my soul. Damn, okay. And as I got hypnotized, I just went through the routine of creating midtones, halftones, core shadows to further accentuate the volumes. One final detail that I noticed, our original submission has fingernails painted, and we cannot leave that out. Absolutely not, because it adds personality to this character, making it look a lot more original. I didn't do that much to it. I just accentuated the perspective and made the shading a little bit cleaner. Arts and art. Thank you for your submission. On to the next one. Okay, so Wolem, is that how I pronounce your name? Saying Langeweile in der Schule. Ah, I can relate to that indeed, ja. Ich spreche Sie Deutsch, bitte. Krankenwagen. Natürlich. So, you know, the best ideas sometimes come when we are the most bored. Now I see you were sufficiently bored enough to come up with a very interesting idea. Kind of reminds me a bit of Adventure Time-esque character. I can see this being some sort of a huge librarian of sorts with this interesting scroll behind this fella. Also, I'm looking at these bottom, like, fur parts of the coat. I'm tempted to draw, like, big toes. So, this is what I mean. I know this is not what you drew, but this creature is gaining a little bit more character, a little bit more finesse, together with them toes and these huge pockets. I also want to add a little bit of flourish to the scroll behind this fella. This neck flourished detail, I like it a lot, but I feel it also could have a few embroidered ornamentations inside. Intriguing, interesting. This is obviously triangular. Dang! This guy is so much more blinged out than this fella. Oh mon dieu! Adorable! I think we're gonna add color to this character. I'm probably gonna do it in a flat tone manner. Bam! There we have it. All these cute little layers separated from one another. Now that I'm looking at it, it needs a little bit of shadow work. And okay, there we have it. A cute little rendition of this character. A very simple interpretation, not too much crazy ideas added to the overall design because I like the initial one very much. However, this is not why I should stop. Yay! Why not take this design and elevate it to a level of an Elden Ring boss with its enormous stature towering over the knight in despair? Oh yes, truly befitting the initial design. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, and share this video with your art teacher or your parents. Also, let us know if you want to see more of these videos. It really was fun seeing your submissions, and there's a whole bunch more I could choose from for the next video. But for now, I will go and leave you with this precision milled engine block.